So this is the royal salon. And then here's this little, like a porch thing. And then this is kind of a scary staircase. Look at that. And then, look. So okay, we're not locked out. But what do we have more? There's more hotel. But look at this, it's actually a bit scary. Look at that. A scary circular stairwell for emergencies. In case of fire, I guess. I mean, look, a trap door. Do you hear the wind? Look at the cobwebs. Isn't that cool? Are those flights? What is that? This won't be opening. Look, it's locked. The snow-covered cars. But these are rooms. It's a bit scary. It's locked. Nobody feels to be in here. But look here. Look at how scary this is. It's another antechamber. And another stairwell. So there are 3 stairwells. That doesn't seem to be locked. I don't want to be locked in here. Oh wow. Le Beth. Look, it says Royal Lounge. Can you see that it says that? I'm royal. But what do they mean exactly by royal? That's what I want to know. Non-smoking room. I think that's what it means. For smokers. Wow. Check it out. I think that must have been the way that I went. Did I go there? Good evening, forbidden. Non-smoking area. Wow. It's so cold. I kind of like the cold in there. I wonder if I'd spare the locked it. But that's locked. That's locked. You hear the children's voices?